hope you all had a really good Thanksgiving. We did too. And one of the successes of our Thanksgiving dinner was a recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. And it was balsamic sweet potatoes. Now I'm just going to read you what I wrote about this recipe. I created this sweet potato recipe in self-defense to prove that sweet potatoes can be tasty without marshmallows. And I go on to give the various ingredients, which I will show you. Yes, I've always felt that sweet potatoes with the marshmallows were always kind of a dismal offering for Thanksgiving. And I have to say that I won a lot of people over at Thanksgiving with this balsamic sweet potatoes recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is to preheat my toaster oven to 400 degrees. What you'll need for this sweet potato recipe is just a pan like this. It's about 8.5 by 8.5. You can use a 9 by 9 too, whatever you have. Now what I have here is 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes that I have peeled and cut into approximately 1-inch rounds. Then what I have here is 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of molasses, and 1 tablespoon of grated lemon zest. Then I'll be adding all of these ingredients to the sweet potatoes, plus a 1/2 teaspoon of powdered garlic and salt and pepper to taste. So I put all the ingredients in the bowl with the sweet potatoes, plus 1/2 teaspoon of the powdered garlic. Then I'm just going to add some freshly ground pepper and salt to taste. Mix this around. Now I'll just put this mixture in the pan. I'm going to cover the pan with aluminum foil. And now the sweet potatoes are going to go into the toaster oven, which is at 400 degrees, for 30 minutes. Okay, I've taken the sweet potatoes out of the oven. Actually, these sweet potatoes took 45 minutes. And why? Because the other ones that I cooked, that I prepared for Thanksgiving, took the 30 minutes. I think I made the slices a little bit bigger, but I think also that sometimes sweet potatoes are softer and sometimes they're harder. I'm not quite sure. I'm just going to turn these around a little bit. Make sure that all of that nice sauce is coating them and that they're all coated well before I put them in the broiler. Okay, so now the sweet potatoes are back in. Propping the door up a little bit for broil. And now I'm going to broil them for 10 minutes. And there's the beautiful sweet potatoes. It's been 10 minutes in the broil, and the juice has been reduced on these pieces. They're nice and tender, and it smells wonderful, the balsamic and the lemon zest and everything. There's the beautiful sweet potatoes in a serving dish ready to go. I'm going to sprinkle with a little fresh parsley. And take my sweet potatoes to the table. Give this recipe a try. I think you'll like this new variation on the sweet potato theme.